Hello Udemy, I am Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 19. Today we are going to learn how can you embed your iframes, your external iframes inside your script or inside your HTML content. So in the last lecture you learned how can you add your panels and how can you use your panels. Make sure these are three divs which is starting from here and which is ending at here. So ignore these divs because we are going to cover these classes from the CSS sections. Okay, so now how can you add? First, suppose go to your iframe, go to your YouTube first, suppose and go to your channel. Make sure we have a channel named Shakzee, so go to your YouTube and hit subscribe us so you can easily get our future videos. So I'm saying just add this. I want to add, for suppose, just a second, I want to add.
Hello Udemy, I am Shakzee from Shakzee.com.
Where is the share? Okay, this is the share. I'm saying I want to share, not I want to embed this. So copy these sections and you can go to your panel for suppose, and now I want to add this inside my panel for suppose. Refresh the page. Now you can see we have embedded the iframe inside our script. So open this open this file using iPhone 6. So you can see you have iPhone 6, but now you can see it's not working fine because it's not fully responsive. So how can you respond? Because you have, first of all, you have your width and height section, and then you are adding this iframe inside the column 6. Okay, what you need to add, or you need to create a div. Make sure I'm saying div, and now I'm saying class embed responsive 6:9, and now I'm saying I have a iframe like this. Refresh the page. So now you can see you have embedded your iframes like this. Now you have a responsive iframe. You can see it's automatically managing this. So first of all you need to add a class inside your iframe. I'm saying embed response item. So embed response item. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now you can see you have a class, and now it's automatically managing your content. So if you can go to your bootstrap sections, make sure we are working on bootstrap 3.x, so we are working on component for now. Go to your, we have covered each and everything from the component sections from the top of our list, and this is the embedded. So you can see they are saying the aspect ratio 16:9. So this is 16:9 aspect ratio, and if you want to change the aspect ratio, you can change the 4:3 aspect ratio as well. So you can also, we have a single list which is the vals. So these are the vals, and we have the vals or optional classes from the component sections. So now you can see, if you can copy these sections and you can paste these sections here. Now go to your page, refresh the page. You can see you have your sections which you have just created. You can write something here. For suppose, hi
Udemy, I am Shakzee
here.
from Shakzee.com, and
So
welcome in lecture
I
number
need
7.
to comment
we are
this
going to create our database, and
iframe
we are going to set
our refresh the page. So now you can see hi there. So you can create the content like this. So hi, or you can change the well, LG or SM, because they have the class or well, LG or SM. You can see you have now LG section and you have SM. LG means large, SM means smalls, or you can also customize by giving a particular class and by calling this class inside your style.html. So you have covered each and everything from the component sections. Now in the next lecture I am going to start the grid system from the CSS sections. Make sure we are now going to create the grid systems and inside the CSS section. So don't worry, we are going to cover each and everything from the CSS and JavaScript as well. So thank you for watching.